Hello, my name is Kelvin. I'm a software developer. I'm going to demonstrate how to use Talmi Payroll Management System. Talmi Payroll Management System is a secondary school payroll management system using the latest auditors format, which of course has been given in the latest workshops. Okay, let me demonstrate. Have the software installed, therefore I'll open it. Okay, so the first page is a security page where you have the login form. Therefore, I'll just enter my credentials, then click login. Okay, we have the name of my school, which is Talmi Secondary School. This is just for demonstration. Log out. You have a menu, then you have admin dashboard. Here you can see the number of employees you have, female employees, male employees, statistics of all the basic salaries, taxes, and allowances you've paid. There are zeros because I've not added any payroll. So our menu, you have dashboard, payroll and payslips, employees, school details, change password. If I click, let me start with change password. Here I can enter a new password. Therefore, enter my current password. Then enter my new password and confirm it. Then click on change. I get a message, password changed successfully. School details, here I can come and change the school details. School name, let's use Eldoret High School. Maybe PO Box 1030145 Eldoret. Principal name, let's use like Mr. Kenywa. Maybe Basa name, we can say Madam Jane. Then we update. We get a message, school details updated successfully. You can see the name of the school has changed. Okay, employees. If you click on employees, here you'll see all your employees. You can print the employees page, and then you have the employees list here. Then you can click on print. You'll be able to print all the employees with their details. Okay, the details, the employee details include the full name, the gender, the ID number, phone number, designation, the date enrolled, KRA PIN, nssf number, nhif number, huduma number, bank, account. So here you can edit. Maybe let's say we edit the ID number. We put 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then we say update. You can see the ID number is updated successfully. You can click and delete an employee. You can search an employee here, like let me say Onesmus. Okay, here you can add an employee. You click add employee, enter the full name. Let's just use Daniel Kipchumba. Male, ID number should be unique. The phone number, designation, let's say cook. Date enrolled 5/8 maybe 2013. KRA PIN, nssf number. You can put any, let's say any. You're just guessing because just for demonstration purposes. Huduma number, this one has not been issued yet, but it will be issued. You'll update once issued. Bank, type equity, account number, you input and click save. Therefore we have Daniel Kipchumba added successfully. Payrolls and payslips. Available payrolls, we don't have any payroll, therefore we need to create one. So we go to create new payroll. Here we have two options: create an empty payroll or import previous payroll. Therefore when you create an empty payroll, you'll only have names of employees but 0 figures But when you want to import, when you click import previous payroll, maybe you want to create a payroll for January 2021, but you want to use employees and figures from December 2020. You can just say import previous payroll. Okay, so since you don't have a payroll to import, we'll create an empty one. Therefore, you choose the month you want to create a payroll, maybe for December 2020. The employees you want included in that payroll, I'll click Control All because I want all the employees included. Then click Add. You can see now you have a December 2020 payroll. Okay, let's do an import. Maybe you want to create a payroll for January 2021, but you want to import from December 2020. We add it. Therefore, you have two payrolls, January 2021 and December 2020. Okay, let's click December 2020. Here we have, you can search a record in that payroll. This is a payroll here, 0 figures because it's new. Maybe I want to search Mutua. Okay, you can see I have him here. Maybe you forgot to add an employee or you skipped and you want to add him or her again. Therefore, you come here, click Add, and you choose the employee. Since we added all of them, if you try to add one, you'll get an error. Employee already in the payroll. Here you can delete the payroll and also print. So you have payroll for the month of December 2020. You have the date. Here you enter the date you want to print. Therefore, I can just say I want to print it today, or maybe I prepared it today. Okay. So here we have the full name, the designation, the job group, basic salary, allowances. You have house allowance, nssf allowance, and other allowances. Then you have gross deductions. You have nssf deductions. nssf, you have an allowance and deduction where the employer maybe pays using the old rates. You have 200 from the employer and 200 from the employee. The pay, nhif, union dues, advance, the net pay. Okay, the gross and the net pay, these are calculated automatically. Okay, let's just input figures for James Maura, who is our driver. So we click on edit. An example is in job group, let's say D, earning a basic salary of 11,800, house allowance of maybe 2,000, nssf allowance of 200. Maybe there are no other allowances, deductions, nssf deduction of 200. It doesn't qualify for a pay. nhif for maybe 500. Maybe he's in a union, 200. Advance, maybe took an advance of 3,500. Then update. So we have now the figures here. Gross of 14,000, net pay of 9,400. Then down here we have totals. This here you get totals maybe of all the basic salaries paid in that month, house allowances, total for net pay for all the employees in that month. So net pay is calculated. You use the formula gross minus the deductions. You also minus the nssf allowance, because you don't give him nssf allowances money, you pay for him or her. You can delete an employee in that payroll. You can click delete. Employee deleted successfully. You can print payslip. Okay, let's take a payslip for James Moora for December 2020. Therefore, the payslip here. School details, payslip for the month of December 2020. James, name, ID, designation, KRA pin, and now the figures here till you get the net pay. Then prepared by school bursar, the name of the bursar, and where he or she is supposed to sign. Then you can click print and print for him or her that payslip. Okay, yeah, you have here down here, you have prepared by bursar, the name of the bursar, the signature, and the date. Then after you prepare it and print it, you give it to the principal. The name appears there. It's the name we added where we updated the school details. The principal signs and the date you can file it. Okay, now you go to payroll, payslips. So here you have all the payrolls you've created. Therefore, if an auditor comes, you can maybe he asks for a payroll for a certain month, you can just print it for him. If an employee wants a payslip for a certain month, you can print the payslip for him or her. Therefore, this makes your work very easy, and you are able to keep your payrolls safely and retrieve them safely. Now, if you go to a dashboard, you can see you don't have the zeros again. You have the figures because you have added there. You have created a payroll and entered some figures. Okay, we can then log out. Okay, this will make your work very easy. It's a very easy software. If you want it installed in your school, you can just get in touch with me, Kelvin, via phone number 0700 282 305. Thank you very much.